Welcome to Interior Design YouTube channel. Decorating a front porch for fall is a delightful way to embrace the beauty of the season and warmly welcome visitors into the home. A myriad of intimate-inspired decor ideas can transform the porch into a cozy and inviting space. Start by adorning the front door with a fall-themed with futuristic cluster elements like dried leaves, pine cones, and foxberries, setting the tone for the several charm. Embrace the rich, warm hues of fall by incorporating pumpkin displays. Introduce cozy textile like plaid or knitted now blankets and cushions on outdoor seating, creating an inviting spot for spying hot cider or enjoy the crisp air. Add touches of natural beauty with harebells, corn stalks, and mums, which invokes the spirit of the harvest season. Utilize soft warm lighting with fairy light, lanterns, or candles to create a magical ambience with a heartful message, adding a personal touch to the overall decor. With these thoughtful and creative touches, a front porch add-on for fall becomes a pristine space that executes the enhancing allure of the season, fostering a sense of comfort and warmth for both homeowners and guests. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe, and like Interior Design channel.